Hello Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. At kung bago kayo rito, welcome din po kayo. Please subscribe, like, share my videos, and leave me a comment kung nakaresonate kayo. Thank you. So, Scorpio, first message po ninyo, we have the Ace of Cups. Ayan. So, napakaganda, napakaswerte ninyo. Kasi this is new beginning, no? So, merong magsisimulang bagong ganap sa buhay. At ito ay magiging punong-puno ka ng kasiyahan, ano? You will be filled with joy and happiness sa pagkakataong ito. Kasi maraming magagandang biyaya ang dadating sa buhay mo. Okay? At ang mga biyayang ito yung mga kailangan mo sa buhay. Ibibigay sa iyo, ipoprovide na sa iyo ng universe. Kaya you're very lucky. You're so blessed. Okay? So this could be anything. Depende sa inyong sitwasyon. Pwedeng love ito. This could be money. This could be various opportunities. Diba? Depende sa inyong sitwasyon. But yes, this is going to be something na magagamit mo sa pagsisimula mo ng bagong buhay. Okay? What else? We have death energy, another change energy, another new beginning energy, Scorpio. And death energy is very beautiful kasi this is transformation, massive transformation ang gagawin mo rito. And this is the kind of change na ginusto mo. This is the kind of change na initiative mo ito. You know, ginusto mo to, pinili mo tong path na to, na baguhin ang sitwasyon mo. It could be anything, no, na gusto mong baguhin po, pwedeng sa sarili mo. This could be a personal transformation, or this could be in the outside world, na ba? So, depende sa inyong sitwasyon. But yes, marami ang pwedeng pagbabago dito na gagawin kayo, no? Depende sa inyong sitwasyon. Pwedeng trabaho, career, pwedeng level of relationship, pwedeng pag-uugali, perspective, depende sa iyong sitwasyon. But this is something na alam ninyong kailangan na ng repair, kailangan na ng adjustment, kailangan na ng totally pagbabago, because this is something na hindi na nagsiserve ng highest good ninyo. Kaya may gusto kang tanggalin na at papalitan mo ng bago. You know? So, good luck. We have two of pentacles, and yes, you are going to be magbabalanse ka. You're going to figure out, no? You're going to think. Pag-iisipan mong mabuti, you're going to weigh things out. No? Which one is better, which one is good, which one is anong dapat mong i-prioritize, yung mga ganun ba. No? Kaya this is really a beautiful energy. You're going to tawag dito, figure out, no, alin yung mga dapat na baguhin, alin dapat na tanggalin, yung gano'n. And also, no, for some of you naman, Scorpio, this could be on a different scenario naman, ano. Maaari ng iba sa inyo talagang aligaga, busy, yung gano'n. And you need to bring the balance back in your life. Okay? Maaring ito din ang panawagan sa inyo rito na ibalik mo na yung balance sa buhay mo. Ito yung kailangan mong gawin. Alright? So, yun. So, what else? We have two of cups. Ayan. So, this is synchronicity, Scorpio. We have two twos. So, dalawang two, that becomes number 22. And the number 22 is a master number. So, I suggest, pakitignan po ninyo ang ibig sabihin ng master number 22 for more guidance. Okay? So, two of cups, this is partnership. You know, this is partnership. Pwedeng partnership ito in love, pwedeng partnership in business, pwedeng partnership in a new friendship, diba? Maaring may pagkaganon. So, depende sa inyong sitwasyon, but definitely, you are going to bond, with someone. Okay? So, good luck sa'yo. Tingnan natin kung ano pa mga mensahe para sa'yo. And by the way, salamat muna for subscribing to my channel. And if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe na po kayo. And also, please click the join button sa baba ng video po kung gusto po ninyong mag-join sa membership. Thank you. And also, maraming salamat din for not skipping the ads po. Malaking tulong po yan sa akin. Hope is always there, even if we can see it. Optimistic expectations can help change a negative situation into a positive one. Kaya magandang i-observe natin lagi ito, no? Yung pag-asa, no? Lagi tayong umasa for the best possible outcome. Lalo-lalo na kung mayroon tayong mga pinagdadaan ng medyo mahirap na sitwasyon, umasa ka lang, no? Nagaganda at aayos din ang buhay mo, and before you know it, unti-unti nang nagre-rearrange, no? Ang universe ng mga pangyayari sa buhay mo, at hanggang sa naging maayos na nga ang inyong sitwasyon. Okay? Kaya umasa ka lang for the best possible outcome. Kasi kahit anumang negatibong pangyayari sa buhay mo, that will change and into something positive. Nature, music, listen carefully, for there may be a message in the music you hear. Music can lift your soul, rekindle memories, and charm fairies to your door. So, Scorpio, baka ang iba sa inyo rito, you are going to um, hear lyrics sa kanta na pinapakinggan mo na magiging tusok na tusok sa inyong puso. Baka dadaan ng universe ang gabay sa iyo, mensahe para sa iyo through the lyrics of the music na maririnig ninyo. Kaya be on the lookout for that as well. Manifestation, be very honest and clear about what you wish to manifest in your life. Now, write it down on paper. Manifestation is step 1. So, parang journaling itong gagawin, no? Kasi that is also one tool of manifestation. Kung isusulat ninyo yung mga wishes ninyo, susulat ninyo yung intention ninyo, 'di ba? Mas malakas, sabi nila, mas malakas ang epekto if you want to whatever it is that you want to manifest in your life, no? Sigurado kayo, sincere kayo sa hinihingi ninyo or sa gusto ninyong ma-manifest, sulat ninyo 'yan, and before you know it, 'di ba? Baka hindi lang mga araw ang bibilangin mo. Baka baka oras lang, 'di ba? Mag-manifest na 'yan. So, kaya make sure na you are 100% sure of what you want, of what you are trying to manifest. Okay? And hidden depths, something hidden is about to come to light, perhaps a secret or memory at the back of your mind. When we expose what's hidden, we can become free. 'Di ba? Lalo-lalo na kung matagal na tong nasa isip mo, kinikimkim mo lang yan sa dibdib mo, 'di ba? Now that you are going to decide na i-divulge na yan, i-share na yan sa iba, ilabas na yan, sikreto na yan. So, that truth will set you free. Now, magiging magaan ang inyong pakiramdam from here on. So, good luck. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.